Now I will give a password to here. It is very easy way to create a Go2Bank account. Hello friends, if you need new method of creating Go2Banks and if you need any solution about Go2Bank, here is our Telegram channel. I will give you the solution. Not only Go2Bank, I will give you other banking solution also. I will put my Telegram and WhatsApp number on description box so you can contact with us for a better solution. So friends, I have already opened a Chrome browser which is connected with a proxy. Today I am using uh, ABC proxy for this account. By the way, if you want to buy any proxy, I can give you. I have Pia proxy, 9 proxy, and ABC proxy. If you want to buy these proxies from me, I can take low price, which will satisfy you. If you need Go2Bank, Net Spend, Cash App, SSN, proxy, you can contact with me. My WhatsApp and Telegram number I will put in the description. You can also contact with me for any kind of help. Now I will give a email right here which was been already created by me. Now I have to give first name and last name here. Now I will give the address, my state address, my city, my zip code. Now I have to give a phone number. By the way, I can provide you number sites. I have True Verify, Daisy SMS, RC SMS, SMS Pool, Telabot. If you want, you can buy from me in a cheap rate. I am giving a date of birth. Remember one thing that you should use the SSN which was is being verified. That will be good for you. Then now I'm giving the SSN number. Remember that after giving SSN number, you should not move anywhere. It will automatically process and take you to the password option. Now I will give a password to here. It is very easy way to create a Go2Bank account. So you can see how easily I have created a Go2Bank account. You can try this way to create this account. And if you need Go2Bank solution and other banking solution, then I will help you. My Telegram and WhatsApp number from the description box. So friends, thank you for watching the video. If you need any banking solution, US data solution and proxy solution, I can help you.